Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Methu Pakoda. This is a very delicious and an instant snack recipe. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 2 onions finely chopped, 2 green chillies chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, 1 cup of besan or gram flour, a pinch of Asafoetida, a teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of fennel powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Then to this add quarter cup of water and mix well again. Then to this add quarter teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Now our Methu Pakoda batter is ready. Heat some oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, fry the pakodas in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the Methu Pakodas are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious Methu Pakoda is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this Methu Pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.